With honors of Gia Yuan Bryce E. Special recognition, writer ang Etiketa RSPC Qualifier. Second place, Radio Script and Broadcasting Filipino DSPC. Second place, overall radio production JSPC. Second place, best in R&B Filipino DSPC. Third place, best in infomercial RB DSPC. Third runner-up, DLC Music Festival 2025. Qualifier, Just Boys PNC, PNPC YGLC. First place, overall radio production district level. Second place, best technical application district level. Awards of participation. District-wide BSP investiture, PCD Journalism Enhancement, Awards of Appreciation, Good Character 2025 First Runner-Up, Career Announcer